Hi, welcome to Bismarck State College. My name is Karen Erickson and I serve as the Dean of Enrollment Management. I'm so glad that you guys are taking an opportunity to learn a little bit more about BSC, the place that I like to call home, and I hope that it'll eventually be your home as well. Here at BSC, we are here for you. Our jobs are to serve you, and we're excited that you're thinking about coming to Bismarck State College. My area is here to help you whether you're applying for college, looking at financial aid options. We have people that can assist you with that, assigning you an advisor, getting you signed up for your classes, and eventually even applying for graduation. No matter what you are interested in, no matter what service you need, more than likely you can find that option here at BSC. Some of the best things that I think Bismarck State College has to offer is really, no matter who you are or what you're interested in, you can find a place, you can find your home here at BSC. If you are looking at just taking a few classes, if you are looking at earning a bachelor's degree, or if you're looking at getting into the workforce in a high demand field, we have all those options available for you to explore and find your passion and to eventually find your future. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you all on campus here in the fall. Have a great day, everyone.